Hey guys, CM here. Okay, you notice I took down my, or put a hold or withdrawn on my sales thread for this, and I'll tell you why. I wasn't really pleased the way I did the pivots, so I cut them off and reground the blade a little shorter and repinned it. And I also added these spacers in here just to make sure that the thing swings pretty nicely and freely. So there you go. Let's see, you know, still same grind style. More, it's got a very piercing oriented tip, is the only way I can describe it. Sharp edge, or top edge is sharpened, and let's see, there it is, open. There it is, closed. Our length here is 6.5 inches closed, and let's see, 11.25 inches open, with a blade length of, from the handles, 5.25, and that is 4.5 sharpened. Let me go get the scale real quick. Alright guys, come on, follow me. Let's see. My scale. Okay, there it is. Got the scale. Okay. We are reading 8.77 ounces. Pretty damn light for its size. And with the reduction in size comes a reduction in price. I was asking $250 for it, and I'm gonna just fucking just cut the chase, man. Fucking $150. 150. Guess this, and fucking I'll throw in a sheath of your choice. All right. Okay, guys. This is a killer deal. 150. Shipped. Talk to me later.